Look 10 years younger with this healthy miracle face mask. Did you know that white rice is actually beneficial to your skin? This is because rice is high in an acid called squalene that cleanses your skin and helps your body to reduce collagen, which help your skin to maintain a healthy and shiny look. Squalene can also repair and protect your skin from any damage from the sun, since sun damage can cause wrinkles. To prepare the mask, you will need 3 tablespoons of rice, 1 tablespoon milk, 1 tablespoon of honey. Directions: boiling the rice and strain. Put aside the water in which the rice was boiled in. Add heated milk into the rice and mix. Stir the mixture well. Add honey, apply the mask onto clean skin and let it air dry. Take off the mask and wash your face with water using the water in which the rice boiled. Repeat at least once a week for full benefit and to look 10 years younger. Tips: store your rice water in a fridge and then throw out after 4 days. Use the rice water twice a day, in the morning and in the evening, as a face lotion. Freeze the rice water into ice molds and use the water for massaging into your face. You can also use the rice water for